Are you tired of having batteries die with little or no warning? Looking for other ways to use your Sony NP-F style batteries? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you an option to consider. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the JYJZPB 2-pack NP-F970 battery and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thing number 1, each battery has its own SOC or state of charge meter to give you a rough idea of the remaining power left in the battery. Hey, some warning's better than none. And it also helps you know when you need to recharge it, because continually depleting a battery is not something that is a good idea to do for the longevity of the battery. Thing number 2, you can charge the battery by using the input port, which is a USB-C port. You can also then power the devices via mini USB and the USB-C ports. And then if you need USB-A, well then you just get a small adapter or a different cable, and then that should be fine. Thing number 3, you can power other devices using a compatible battery plate. And you'll see something about a V-mount or V-dash mount plate. What that's going to do is take a Sony NP-F style battery and gang them up together or offer you other connections. There are some with a BMS or battery management system, others don't have that. So depending on what your needs are, you have an idea of what to look for. If you look at my channel, you will see some reviews I've done of those. Take a little bit of time. It's not going to break the bank to have some other options. So take a look at this and think about getting one today, or more than one depending on how many batteries you need. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate that, and it'll help the channel. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.